experiments that concern pressure. In the first one, we're going to show that pressure is inversely proportional to the contact surface.
On this piece of wood, we have put some nails. On each one edge, some nails are put, whereas on the other there is only one. If we place a ripe peeled tomato onto the end with lots of nails on it, we'll see that it will remain intact. That's because pressure is too little. However, if we place it onto the end which has only one nail on it, the peeled tomato will split due to big pressure.
So we draw the conclusion that the more the nails, the less the pressure, and vice versa. That explains why the soles of the elephant's feet are so big. It is due to little pressure too that fakirs can more comfortably lie down on lots of nails, whereas they could not possibly do so on one nail.
We are going to carry out an experiment on hydrostatic pressure. We pour very little water into the can. We place it onto the piece of glass and heat it till steam comes out or till steam can be seen.
Wearing proper gloves, we take hold of the can and quickly turn it upside down into a bowl full of water.